Yo guys, the weather doesn't look good out here. Look at this. I'm walking outside my house in Kent. The weather doesn't look good. We got thunder here. Look at the skies, I guess. It looks pretty bad out here. And I heard there's a hurricane in Karachi, apparently. But I hear thunder and I saw lightning up there. Do you hear that? You guys can hear that thunder. Wow, I'm heading to my friend's house. I'm gonna get him. Oh wow, look, something happened here. Oh look, I saw lightning. I don't know if you saw that on camera, but guys, wish me luck.